Welcome back, guys. Here is my Ford 8N. As you can see, she's in rough shape. But today, I will be taking off the exhaust manifold because, as you can see, there's a hole in it, and that's an issue. I will be replacing it, but I don't have the replacement today. So, right now, I'm just going to take it off so that I won't have to in the future. But in order to remove the exhaust manifold, I had to remove the carburetor, which I have not done yet, but I will have to do on this video. But to remove the carburetor, you would need to disconnect the choke, disconnect the governor control rod, disconnect the air cleaner pipe, disconnect the fuel line, and then remove the 2 bolts on top, which is what I'm going to do next. Now that I've found my wrench, I am going to take off the carburetor. So right now, I'm just going to loosen these bolts that hold the carburetor on, which might take a minute because they're pretty long. You just very carefully continue to take these off. And there is our carburetor off. So now what I'm going to do is take the exhaust manifold off. Now, I see a few bolts in there, but we will find out how many there are. Now all I'm going to do is take the 4 bolts out, but since I'm voicing this over, I did not realize that I also had to take another piece and move it out of the way before I could get to the 4th bolt. So you will also see me do that. But after that, the exhaust manifold will come off. So now the next one. There we go. Now we're stuck. Oh, and I can't get to that last one, can I? Damn it. Okay, I've thought. Now I'm going to take this thing off. Now I am realizing that I did not need to take that off. I just need to loosen it to get it out of the way. So here I am putting it back on because I was not supposed to take it off. Anyway, now I'm going to continue trying to take this off. Too big. There. Why can't I just get... There it goes. I see it now. Yeah. It's loose now. Let's take the outside 2 off and leave the inside 2 on. There's one. This goes to that, so we're going to keep that there. I'll take this one off. That's helpful. Also also helpful. And we'll just that one's holding everything. That one's just a bolt, so it's still being held. Smart. Now I can safely take this one out without it falling. And then should be free. Now I'm gonna trim. That sounded good. It's free. Just gonna set this over here. Nice. Perfect. Our job here is now done. So, I'm going to raise up my camera. Here it is. You can see that it's missing some of its gasket there. Yeah, that's the next step. Replace all the gaskets. So here's our carburetor. Need to clean her up too. And here's the exhaust manifold. Came off pretty easy, but as you can see, it's just a whole bunch of, it's just falling apart. But that's probably it on today's video. And I will be replacing the gaskets and replacing the exhaust manifold next. So stay tuned for that long video. And till then, here's the progress. And I'll see you next time.